Verse 17, God's oath. The verse highlights God's desire to demonstrate the unwavering nature of his promises. Unwavering nature. God doesn't go up and down, in and out, around and around. Unwavering nature of his promises. So he does this by confirming his promises with an oath, a practice common in human interactions to add weight and assurance to a commitment. God, however, swears by himself, as there is no one greater. Now, verse 18 talks about these two things, two immutable things, two unchangeable things, the oath and the promise. God swore by himself, none higher than him, none greater. We can trust what God says. He does this by confirming his promise with an oath, a practice common to human interactions to add weight and assurance to a commitment. So there's no one greater than God. Verse 18, the passage focuses on two unchangeable aspects of God's promise and his oath. These are tied to God's very nature.